Learn digital marketing strategy to promote your product and raise your income. Digital marketing strategy and examples. Now you know what digital marketing is, its advantages, and its types. Next below, we will discuss some digital marketing strategies and examples of their implementation. Search engine optimization, SEO. The first point of a digital marketing strategy is SEO, which is an effort to get more website visitors organically, without placing ads. Examples of digital marketing in the field of SEO include article creation, site speed optimization, installing site links on other websites, and so on. Social media activation, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and so on. The second digital marketing strategy is social media activation. Examples of digital marketing in the field of social media include regularly uploading content to social media, building engagement with followers, doing endorsements, and much more. Knowledge marketing. Knowledge marketing is a digital marketing strategy by providing useful information or new knowledge to potential consumers. Examples of digital marketing through knowledge dissemination, such as email marketing and the creation of free ebooks, digital books. Data analysis and search. In implementing a digital marketing strategy, it is very important to search and analyze data. Every decision taken in the digital marketing process must be based on data, from social media data to online advertising campaigns. Hard selling, soft selling, and hypno-selling. Digital marketing is one type of strategy with the most sales techniques. The three most common sales terms you will hear while implementing a digital marketing strategy include hard selling, soft selling, and hypno-selling. Google and social media ads. The sixth technique of digital marketing strategy is Google and social media ads. When creating ads, you must make sure the ad content has the right message and target consumers. So that ads can generate sales as expected. Leads generation. The seventh and last point of a digital marketing strategy is lead generation. In the world of marketing, leads are defined as all kinds of contacts that can be used to contact consumers, from phone numbers, social media accounts, to emails. In order to get leads on target, you can create lead magnet content, such as seminars or free books.